Model, 70-plate Citroen Berlingo 650 on-price BHDI SS non-runner Cambelt snapped no VAT bargain. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 84,206. MOT, the 29th of September 2025. Engine, 1499 cc DV5 RERDE2. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, none runner, timing belt has snapped. Straightforward repair. If you know what you're doing, no VAT should be a bargain for somebody, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 0 former keepers, electric windows, cruise control, air con, 2 keys. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £10,250 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.